Hello, you dare to come here and listen to this. You will face the greatest power of them all. You are going to see Ocarina of Time. Well, that guy's finally done with moving his very fat ass. So let's go to this Yabu Yabu guy and see if we can find this Princess Ruto. Ha, roll Link, roll like you mean it. We now arrive at a big fucking fish, Sora's fountain, which is not really a fountain. Hello, you big son of a bitch. Let's see what the sign is saying. Don't disturb, blah 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 blah. You're quite the fat one, aren't you? Okay, the king said you have eaten his daughter, so I demand you to open. Come on, open your mouth. Well, he's not opening his mouth. I know what my mom did when I didn't want to open my mouth. She used to feed me. So I'm going to find a fish and give it to him so he can starve to death, be sick, and die in a wonderful, beautiful pain of suffer. No? Okay, we're just going to get a fucking fish. And where can we find the fish? Link is thinking, duh, maybe inside the store. No, we're not going inside the store, we're going in this pond. And here we can see fish. Come on here. I want a fish and you're going to give it to me. Yeah, you got a fish, Linkus. Yay! Okay, we got a fish. Hey, dude, I got a fish. What do you say about that? Who are you? We are the Soras, the proud aquatic people. You say you have some connection with Hyrule's royal family? Well, what do you want from us? I want to suck your big fucking dick. No, I don't want to do that. Do they really have one? Navi doesn't. Okay, never mind. Let's go to Yabu Yabu again and give him his wonderful, beautiful, wet fish. Haha. You big fat piece of shit. You're just gonna sit all day while your daughter is in pain. You are a very dishonorable man. You should not be king. You should be something worse, like a prisoner. Hello, Yabu Yabu. Here's your fucking fish. You better enjoy it or I will kill you. I will stab my sword into your eye, get my stick up your ass, and shoot a seed in your nose. Hey, look at that. He's opening his mouth. And the fish is flying in and Link is like, no, I don't want to go in there. I don't want to be a fish food. No, I hate fishes. We are now inside Yabu Yabu. And he got some big fucking teeth. And you may wonder, how do you get out? You just go to his teeth and it will open. Whoa, get away from me. I don't like you guys. No. Shoot. Yeah. Well. Continue, Link. You can't stay here for very long. Okay, what the hell is that? Theory. If you touch it, you will be electrocuted. Okay, something tells me I should not touch it. Okay, what do we got here? Nothing. Oh, we can attack him. Die, you motherfucker. Die. No. Let's be nice. I gave him a fish, and he will give me Princess Ruto. And, what a weird room. What the hell is that? There she is! There she is, I think. You, who are you? I am Ruto, Princess of the Soras. What? Are you saying my father asked you to come here to save me? No, I don't want to save you. I never asked anyone to do such a thing. Leather in a bottle? Oh yeah, I found a fucking leather in a bottle. It says don't tell my father or something. And he's very worried about you, so please, let's get out of here. No, don't go there, it's quicksand. Oh, fuck. This is going to be one pain in the fucking ass. Hello, Princess. You seem happy. Are you still hanging around here? I told you to go away. I'm okay. I've been inside Lord Yabu Yabu's belly since I was a little, but Lord Yabu Yabu is very strange today. There are electrified jellyfish and strange holes around. On top of that, my precious stone was... That's not a real business. No, it's not. You suck shit. Can we just go outside, please? This place is really creeping me out, so let's just go away. Oh, you're going to sit down, huh? Okay, I'm going to pick you up. Haha. You can't... I don't know what it's called, but whoa. You get water balloons. Watch out for the water balloons. Okay, Link, jump down. And let's throw her up here. Yeah. And the water is racing up. So we better try to get up here, I think. Come on. Yeah. Okay, come on, Prince Ruto. We're getting out of here. Yeah, what the fuck? Ah, oh, there's a switch. Haha, I could throw her up on it. She sucks and she will always suck, like just like this little... Hey, you stupid balloon. I'm going to have you dead. Oh, I'm sorry, you're already dead. Whoa. Hey, go away from me. Hey, there seems to be a little passage down here. Dive, Link. Dive like you mean it. Dive. What the hell? Can I really kill this guy now? Come on. Haha. You can't fool me. I surrender. In return, I will sell you dick nuts. 5 pieces for 20 rupees they are. No. Never. I'm not going to buy dick nuts for that much. I'm not going nuts over nuts that much. Oh, come on, Link. You suck. You stupid piece of shit. Just get up. Thank you. Where is that talk to guy? Oh, there's the elevator. Oh, you sheep motherfucker. Now I got to wait for elevator again. This is all your fault. I'm just gonna stick you like a turtle. Haha, you can't do anything. You suck. Just like my mother, and especially my father. He was a big ugly man just like you, and you suck. Just like him. You will never be successful. You will die. You will rot inside here. Okay, come on, Ruto. Let's get... Oh, you fucking piece of shit! No! Where's Ruto going? Hey! What the hell? Okay, guys, I'm going to get her back. I will see you there. Okay, we're back. I got her again. Oh, that was just shit. Why do they have that big ugly piece of shit guy right there? Do they really have to have him there? What the hell do you want? I'm going to kill you. Okay, let's press this little switch here so I can go up and grab that little token. No, go away from me, you stupid fish. Yes. Go down, Link. Come on, Link. Yes. You're very quick. I like that. You do what you're being told. Okay, where's that switch? Oh, you stupid shit. You dropped a jar. Yay. We got it. Okay, let's continue. Ah! Okay, not this guy again. Let's try to shoot him. Yeah, that worked. Okay, where's the platform? There it is. Jump down here. Jump down here. This is an instant. I will get Princess Ruto on this little platform and we will go up. Navi sucks. Okay, we're just going to stand here. And don't throw her. Okay, where can we go? We can go up here. Okay, let's go to this place where she fell down. It's stupid. Okay, what we got in here? Yeah, this is the place. And she fell down there. How stupid can you be? So let's go through here. Whoa, what the hell is that? Go away from me, you stupid animal. Whoa, what the hell? You, hey, get away from me. Oh, a switch. Let's press it. Oh, this switch, it doesn't look like you can press it down with your own weight alone. Jan, duh, you... I didn't got that. Okay, let's go through. Okay, who will face... Oh, okay, these guys. Come on. Yeah. You two, come on, get up. I'm going to kill you. Yeah. You can't do shit. I'm going to kill you bitches. You guys suck. You will never be successful. Are we done? Yep, we are. We got a treasure chest! I really want to know what we got. Okay, Princess Ruto, this is my treasure. This is my treasure alone. What can it be? I really want to know. I want to know what it can be. Give me some milk. Give me some jars. No, we got the boomerang. Yeah, we got the piece of wood. Press C to use it to attack distant enemies. Well, thank you for that. So now we got the powerful boomerang. Yeah, let's say it with that. You see, Ruto, I got a piece of wood and you got nothing. You suck, and you will always suck. Especially you guys. You're just annoying. Get away from me, please. Get away. No. Go away. Okay, let's go up in this switch. Okay. Get Ruto, you stay outside. I don't want to have you inside here. Huh, she got off. What a bitch. Okay, let's use the boomerang. Yeah, we can feel the power. Yeah, and let's throw it again. He's going to die. He does not have a chance. Ah, you stupid. We got another treasure chest. Whee. Come over here. I want to see what I got. What can it be? Can it be a compass? Can it be a map? Can it be a Zelda? Maybe a Zelda dildo? No, it's the map. The dungeon map. Yeah, thanks, Alfred. Now we got the little icon down there. We can now see where we are. Okay. Why the hell did you get up? I didn't ask you to get up. How inconsiderate. How could you leave me behind? If you're a man, act like one. Take responsibility. You can take responsibility by shutting your fucking ass. Let's go through here. The red slimy thing is gone. That must be because she cut the red tail. Will that work on the other ones too? Oh, come on, Navi. Think for yourself for once. Come on. Oh, come on. Yeah, let's use the boomerang. Hey, we got a time limit on us. Use the boomerang. Tommy. No, Navi. Come on, shut the fuck up. You don't have to say it every time I lock onto something. I know what I'm doing. Hey, you're left. Get here. Yeah. And now another chest. Yay. What can it be? Can it be Ganondorf? Ganondorf in our little tiny chest. Oh, let's see what we got. Can it be the map? Can it be the boomerang? Can it be the bow and arrow? Can it be the hammer? Can it be the light arrows? No, we got the compass. Yeah, you found the compass. Yeah, I can see hidden things. Thanks a lot for that. Okay, let's continue on. We are on a big road. Now you can see the little map inside here. Whoa, what the hell is that? Whoa. Are you stupid shit? Come on, Princess Ruto. Don't touch him. Do not touch him. Okay, let's go through here. Hey, we got another one of these. What's it called? Oh, parasitic tangle. That's nasty. Whoa, he hit me back. Come on, Link, you can do this. It's the first time you used the boomerang. You should do better than this. You should kill him in one shot. Yeah, we got it. Do we get a chest? No, we don't. The game is suddenly going very ego. We're not getting anything, especially not by Ruto. She's doing nothing. Slimy red fucking... Oh, that's a nasty thing. I don't like him. They remind me of my mom. Very much. Ooh, this one's green. And we got some... what was it? What are they called? Berry. I'm going to kill the berry with my boomerang. My boomerang is going to kill the berries. Hey, watch out when you're swinging that thing. Come on, lock onto it. Come on, Link. Yeah, you got this. Yeah. Next one. Come on, throw it. Yeah. You're the best. No, Link, you're not the best. You suck. You should never, ever play this game again. Okay, well, I think we're done now. We have been in every single room. Whoa, please stay away from me. Okay, so... oh, as you can see, the green thing's gone. So let's go down here. Wow, hey, look at that. Okay, I don't need you right now, so let's use this thing. Okay, it's boomerang. Ha! Get the skull eye! Hey, watch where you're going, man. No, you don't. You get away from me now. Okay, let's kill that one too. Yeah. One more shot. Haha. And get that one too. And we got it! Boom! You destroyed a golden sculpture. And we don't have any more, so let's get out of here. Come on, Ruto. Let's get out. Whoa. It's the third ruby! What can it be? Throw me out there onto the platform. You can have it, you big ego. Stupid shit. Huh, it's very small. It's very small. Just like her. Princess Ruto got the spirit stone. But why Princess Ruto? Maybe because it's hers. Oh my god, I finally found my mother's stone! I got very upset when Lord Yabu swallowed it. While I was feeding him, he suddenly swallowed me. I was so surprised and dropped it inside. But now that I found it, I don't need to be here anymore. So, take me home right now. What do you mean right now? You really mean right now? Okay, come. Whoa. Hey, where the fuck are you going? Didn't you need my help? You stupid bitch! Yeah, what is this? An octopus? No, it's not an octopus. It's Ganondorf. He's hiding inside Lord Yabu. Whoa. Okay, it was an octopus. Holy shit! Run away, Link! Go, Link! I will kill you. Just use the boomerang. No, come on. Come on, Link. Come on, what the fuck? Throw it. Alright. Fuck. You stupid piece of shit. Get back here. I don't think it's going to work. Where is it? Yes. Oh, come on, can you die? Please. That's not working. No, no, not again, please, not again. Yes. No, use it! You stupid piece of shit! Use it! Yes, there we go. And he's finally dead. Die! 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 Yeah, we got it. Okay, we got it. Okay, we're running out of time, guys. Thanks a lot for watching this episode, and in the next one, we will see if we can find the Ruru. And, yeah, we'll see. See ya, and take care, you motherfuckers. I love you.